So come here in APP 2503 2503. Up to here, no doubt now. Nobody has any doubt up to here anything. I hope. So give here. This also you give 2503. So here, if you want to automatically check number to be assigned, then you have to come in the print here. And this is the program for the check payment in FBZ2 you have assigned. Do you remember this program name? You remember this program you have assigned in the payment method in country, I think, or in the
Yes.
payment method in the country or payment method in the company code. So somewhere you have assigned this one. I don't remember exactly. I think payment method in the country you have assigned. So let me show you for check payment method India. This is our check payment method. So this is the program. So whatever program you assigned here, it appears here. Okay. So for this is used for the check payment method. So for check payment method, you have to create one variant. Okay. Variant means either you can create directly from here or you can create. So remember, this variant concept is very important. In many places you may need to create the variant. So variant either you can create uh, from here or you can go from T code called SC38. So we'll see that also. This way also we'll see. So now give some variant name. Okay, give some variant name like TM99. Some give variant name. Any name you give. Some variant name you give. Click on the maintain variant. Here you click. Okay. So here this I have already filled the data. So you have to enter the paying company code, sending company code, payment method. These are the mandatory information. Okay, these are the mandatory fields. See, even if you didn't give, it will throw error. These are the mandatory. So Axis Bank, from which bank check you want to get assigned automatically. So Axis Bank, then bank account ID, then check lot number. Okay, so this, then print check. This tick you have to give, you have to give the printer number and you have to tick all this. Okay, and then very important thing, this one, do not void any checks. Okay, you should not void any check, otherwise SAP will start voiding the check. So you select this one, do not void any check. So like this you have to create the variant for the check payment method. Okay, so variant are always created against the program. Okay, so this is the program for the check payment method. You are creating this variant. Now for any program you can create the variant. Now here, if you have worked in the implementation project, this variant, while creating saving the variant, see, while saving the variant, it will not create any TR. Okay, it is not creating any TR, but many a time the variant you have to move from one system to another system, and in real time you may create 100 200 variant. Okay, one variant for check payment method, for DME there will be variant. So different places there will be so many variant. Let's say 100 variant is there altogether. So it is very difficult task to create the variant in each system. It is very difficult task. Okay, so you need to know how to save the variant in the TR. That is one of the very important tasks. Okay, if you're knowing earlier it is okay, otherwise I'm going to teach you. So first of all, creating the variant from T code itself is fine. Okay, so here you can, and every variant you can create from SC38. So let me take you first SC38 also. So any variant, if you know the program for which you want to create the variant, come in the SC38 T code. Okay, it's taking time. Give that program name RFFO, that program name RFFO. If you type, it will automatically come also. So still type US. If you know directly you can type underscore US, something is there. You can type, no, something we make mistake then. RF, okay, it is C underscore C. Okay, so so this is the program. Okay, now how to create variant? Click on the variant. If you have already created the variant, then go to change. Otherwise, also go to change. Okay, if you give the variant name here, if you have not created, let's say I have created TM99. So if I want to see the variant, then display. If you want to change. If I want to create. So the moment, see here, I'm just entering in 9090. I'm click on this one, and you'll see then there is no difference between this screen and that screen. See, same screen came here also, right? Like here, can you see? Same screen, ra? There is no difference between this screen and this screen, right, guys? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hello? No difference, right?
No difference, sir.
So any variant you can create from anything. If let's say you want to display, just you want to display how it is created. So sometime what will happen? Let's say in development somebody has created the variant, and by the time he left the company, and from UAT time you joined the company, and he has not saved in the TR. Okay, if it was saved in the TR, it would have automatically moved from development to quality. Now user is getting error that variant is missing. Now you have to create the variant, but you don't know how it was created in the last system. Okay, so take the program, and you will get many times this kind of even ticket also will get for the new implementation project, because many time we consultant forget to create the variant in the production system. So you'll get ticket. So what you have to do, take that program, and for that program, if you go to drop down, you'll find out what are the variants created. Okay, so these all are the variants. So it is dummy system, so many people might have created. In real time you'll have only 1 2 variant which you or your colleague creates, that will come. So you can click on that variant, and you can check how it is created. So display, if you go, so you easily get to know how the variants are created. So these are the input you have written, whatever input you have written. So in this way, by looking this variant, you can also create the variant. Any doubt in this? To create the variant either from T code or from program, I mean from SC38. From SC38, any kind of variant you can create. Is that clear? Clear, guys? This is very important thing. Is it clear to all of you?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so one variant I'm creating for same program, and I will delete later. Let's say TM0 I'm going to, for showing purpose I'll create. So create button, and give all the information like TM99. So mandatory fields, our check payment method is one. So these are the mandatory field you have to enter. Check lot number, let's say for showing purpose I'm other below detail and I'll enter. Then you have to click on attributes. Okay, so you have to give this variant name like TM99 check method, something like this. Then if you want your variant somebody should change or not, if you click on protect variant, then nobody can change your variant. Okay, nobody can, only you can change the variant. So if you tick on this one, so you can save, then variant get created. So this is how you have to create the variant. I hope you know it. Now question arises how to save the variant in the TR. Okay, so every variant you create, it is your responsibility to save in the TR. Otherwise, if you otherwise it will be your manual task. Manual task means in every system you have to create the variant if you have not saved in the TR. So it is always good to save in the TR to avoid the manual task. Okay, otherwise if you forget in production system to create the variant, then you'll get unnecessarily tickets. On top of that, there will be many many variant you have to create. In DME you have to create, sometime even in EBS also you have to create. So different places you have to create the variant. So it's always good to save in the TR. So how to save in the TR? So this is the program. Come to SC38, come to same SC38 only. This is the program to save the variant. Okay, see here, if you type it will come. Every program you can create new program. A Bapper creates the program from here only. Okay, so this is the program name. Select report variant for transport, select report and variant for transport. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to execute it. Okay, then give that program for which you have created the variant. So this program you have to give, where this program for which you have created the, so REFFOUS so it is there. Then you give your variant name. You have created TM99. So again I'm repeating, this is the program for which variant you have created, and this is the variant name. Okay, for DME if you have created variant, then DME program will be different and variant may be also different. So this you have to give, then execute it. When execute, then this comes, select it and okay. So it gets saved in the workbench. Okay, it create the workbench and save it. So this is how you have to save any kind of variant in the TR. Is it clear, guys? How to create and how to save? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear, Prasad?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir. Actually, only use for to input data purpose only. It will use for variant only, right? Input data will see the
So
variant. Whenever
variant, yeah. Variant means you can give some data, and that variant, that if you give one time data, then each time you select that variant, automatically the data will get
it will
populated. Okay.
automatically reflect in the input and yes, that's only right.
That is the use. So in simple
That is
language, variant contains some value, let's say in that way. Okay, which you
okay.
don't want to enter each time. So here, next time when I'm running my app, I don't have to enter all these details. So I'm creating and saving. Next time when I run, just I enter here TM99, that's it. Okay, so automatically back in this variant I have already given my house bank, my check number, my printer, everything I have already given. So this is the use of the variant. Is that clear?
Clear, Hari.
Yeah, so variant please you have to create. I taught you both way how to create variant from T code, from program. Even I taught how to save also in the TR. That is important. Now save it, run proposal. Okay, now come here and check it. What is the issue? 10 days grace period is being, 10 days grace period somebody entered in my setup. Okay. So let me go to FBZP. Somebody had disturbed my setting, I think. M99. See, 10 days somebody has given. If you give 10 days, then your due date will get extended by 10 days. Okay. Therefore, I don't have any invoices due. Therefore, it is not running the payment. Okay. That is the error I am getting. So I delete the proposal. Run the proposal. Come here, check it. Okay, it is running fine. Now payment run. Okay. After running this, if it is check method, you have to do the printing also. Just click on printer, come here and give some number. You have to give 1 or 2 or something and print it. Okay. Now we didn't notice the that document number. Let us see the document number what got generated. So this is the document number got generated. Let us view it. In a B03 also you can check either check number automatically got assigned or not. And you have T code also, so you know how to view. System is quite slow. Run it. So come here, check information. Okay, so check number 4th got assigned automatically. Up to here, any doubt anybody has? So this part you are doing manually, right? You are linking check number and payment document number manually for the manual payment. For automatic payment, it should get assigned automatically. If you have 2 vendor, then 2 check will get assigned. Check number 4, check number 5, like that. Is that any doubt here? Up to here, no doubt, na? No doubt, right?
Yes. No. Yeah.
Okay. So let me run for 2 vendor, then check one check number will get assigned to one vendor payment number, and another check number will get assigned for another payment document vendor number. So that is inbuilt program, so all this works. So let me post 2 invoices now for 2 different vendor. Where is the B60? Okay. So these are the scenario testing now. Once some scenario is tested, then we'll go for next DME. So 2000. So you have duplicate invoice in this vendor master you have checked. So earlier you have posted same parameter, therefore it's showing duplicate. So make something different, either amount or this. So one invoice I'm posting for 2000, one vendor. I think this is my another vendor. I'm posting for 3000.
Hari, you didn't share this. Okay.
Sorry.
Nothing.
Okay. Okay, save it. Now, just a minute, guys. My battery is going down. So just a minute. Hello. Yeah. Prasad, I think sound is coming from your side, Prasad. Yeah. So just a minute. Okay. So now I think both the invoices got posted. So 2 vendors are there. Run F110. Give it 2 parameter 1, 3, 4. Give here. Come here. Proposal. Run it. Got created or any error. both got created. Payment run. Print it. Check the document number. Display. So it is 78. Go to 78. For 7 all it should be one document number, check number. For 8 also it should be assigned, because come here, check information. So 05 got assigned to 7. 05 got assigned for 7. And this is another for that 06 got assigned. Okay, now no doubt, right, in this? Hello, no doubt, right now, guys?
No doubt.